Hello, dear students. Welcome back to e-classes of Commerce Standard 12. In our previous video, we studied about marketing mix and we started with first point, that was product. In product, we studied about meaning of product, concept of product, and its features are labeling, packing, and branding. So we have studied about branding. Now, in this video, we are going to study about next feature, that is labeling. So let's read what is labeling. Labeling is a piece of paper pasted on the primary packing of the product which shows the information of the product in detail. So we all have rough idea about the word labeling. Labeling is a piece of paper that is printed on the product which shows all kind of informations like ingredients, price, date of manufacturing, weight, expiry date. All such information is printed on that packing. So labeling is the piece of paper that is pasted on the primary packing of the product which shows the information of the product in detail. So each and every information is given on that labeling. As each and every detail is mentioned on the label, it helps the consumer to, and it gives the direction to the consumer how to use that, and that indicates the procedure and the use of the product. It is quite often that it provides direction for opening the packing too. So, labeling means one kind of brand name is used and that is compulsory. With label, consumers can identify the product too, and with labeling it is easy to do the advertisement of that particular product. So labeling is a piece of paper pasted on the product which gives each and every information in detail. Let's have a look on its functions of labeling. Let's read its functions. First is helps in identifying the product. With labeling, it is very easy for consumers to identify the product of particular brand from the different producers of that same product. Second, gives full information about the quality and the type of product. Each and every minute detail is printed on packing like weight, size, quality, net quantity, manufacturing date, expiry date. So each and every detail is mentioned on it. Third, all information regarding product is provided to the consumer like manufacturing date, expiry date, all such necessary informations are given to the consumer, even the direction how to use that product, how to open that product. So each and every minute information is provided to the consumer regarding that product. Fourth, direction of use of product is given to the consumers. How to use that product, that is also given on the labeling. It is mentioned on the print. Fifth, it creates attraction for the product which helps in advertisement and personal services. With labeling, product becomes more attractive and consumers are diverted towards that product, and even advertisement becomes easy. So to promote that product, labeling helps. Sixth, it complies with legal requirement. When labeling is done, the legal approval is necessary. So all the legal formalities are fulfilled. Whatever the legal requirements are there, it is fulfilled. Then only it is labeled. So these were the functions of labeling. Next feature of product is packing. Let's have a look on that. Third feature of branding is packaging. Let's read it. Packing performs the function of decorating the product. So mainly the packing is done to attract the customers to purchase that product. So it makes the product attractive and so the customers are diverted to purchase that. Packing is mostly done with plastic bags, cloth bags, cardboard box, plastic barrels and boxes. Even the success of many products lies in their packing, and packing helps to maintain the quality of product. Even with the help of packing, the transport of product is easy as it does not create any harm to the product if packing is done properly. So packing is helps in transport the product easily. Product can be better used when it is packed. Packing also helps to do the advertisement of that particular product. So here we have completed the first component of marketing mix, that is product. We studied about the meaning of product, concept of product and its three features: branding, labeling and packing. In our next video, we are going to start the second component of marketing mix, that is price. Till then, revise the topic, go through it thoroughly. Thank you.